Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the date and time on Windows 11. And for this we go to our start icon and then we click on settings. Then right here we go to time and language and then click on date and time. Then right here we have two options, and the first option is set time zone automatically, turn that one off. And then you can change it by just the time zone by clicking on it and then select the time zone where you live. Then the second option is go to set time automatically and click on turn off. And then right now we can change the date and time manually. So click on change and then right here you can select the time. Right here you can select the date right here and then you can click on change. Right now I prefer to do everything automatically, so I turn this one on and also this one. But this is the setting how you can change your date and time. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.